Get ready for the dictation in 3, 2, 1, start. Our country is indebted to our farmers who are our Annadata, because of whose hard work we are self reliant in food grain, bringing about a change in the lives of farmers who serve the country selflessly, and development of rural areas are the priorities of my government. The government is going to spend an amount of rupees 25 lakh crore in the coming years to strengthen the rural economy. Government is working on a strategy to develop an income centric system aimed at doubling the income of farmers. Honorable members, under the Prime Minister Kishan Samman Nidhi, more than rupees 43,000 crore has been deposited in the bank accounts of more than 8 crore farmer families. On 2nd January this month, my government has created a record by transferring rupees 12,000 crore to the bank accounts of 6 crore farmers simultaneously. My government is working with dedication to provide the farmers prices which are 1.5 times the input cost. Steady increase in MSP for Kharif and Rabi crops is a step in this direction. Due to the efforts of the government, the procurement of pulses and oil seeds has increased by more than 20 times. Honorable members, my government is also promoting alternative farming practices along with cluster based horticulture. Organic farming is also being promoted and propagated. The production of honey has increased by about 60% due to the efforts made by the government in this area. The export of honey has also more than doubled. In order to build further on this accomplishment, the National Bee Keeping and Honey Mission has been approved. The twin objectives of doubling the fishermen's income and fish production are short to be achieved through the newly created Department of Fisheries. A massive drive is being organized with the aim of ensuring the health of more than 50 crore livestock of the country under the National Animal Disease Control Program. An amount of rupees 13,000 crore is being spent on immunization and other measures to protect the cattle from foot and mouth diseases. Honorable members, my government, along with the state governments, is working with sensitivity to provide relief to farmers from natural calamities. Under the Pradhan Mantri Fasal Bima Yojana, on an average, every year more than 5.5 crore farmers are availing crop insurance cover at a very low premium. Under this scheme, in the last 3 years, claims of farmers to the tune of rupees 57,000 crore have been settled. The impact of e-NAM, the online national market for farmers, has also started becoming visible. 1 crore 65 lakh farmers and about 1 lakh 25,000 traders of the country have been linked to it. About rupees 90,000 crore worth of business has been transacted through this platform. In order to further enhance the effectiveness of e-NAM in this decade, work is underway to link more than 400 new mandis with it. Honorable members, The health of an individual has impact on the development of both the family and the country. My government is working with a holistic approach in the area of health. Serious efforts are being made at every level in preventive and curative health care. Many schemes such as the Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, Jal Jeevan Mission, Poshan Abhiyan, Fit India Movement, Ayushman Bharat Yojana are contributing to improving the health of the people. The wide ranging aspects impact of the Ayushman Bharat scheme on the health sector of the country is visible. Under the Pradhan Mantri Jan Arogya Yojana, so far 75 lakh poor have availed free treatment. More than 25,000 health and wellness centers have also been set up. Stop. Thank you.